Hi friends, there is a Nokia c6.00. I'm showing you unboxing. This black color for Nokia C6, sorry. Here is a model for unboxing, 12-month warranty. Anything not fine. Back side is the black, same showing. There is some informations. There is all language: French, English, Arabic, Urdu, French, anything. For some details, for imported details. Nokia connecting people. There is a Nokia sign. There is some detail. Okay, I'm opening a box for Nokia C6. But there is a made in France, so I'm opening. Beautiful. And second time is the opening, showing you box, not first time opening, I'm some days used and showing you this video. So there is a Nokia 7 C or Nokia C6. I'm crazy. It's a very beautiful. Some this sticker is a change, so not perfect. Very beautiful for keyboard, for using your easily chat. Backside is a silver look, 5 megapixel camera, 1 flash, beautiful, mobile. Okay, there is a battery. Okay, so there is a data cable, and hands-free handset, black simple handset, and there is a charger, very beautiful charger. And there is a also for details, quick start, anything is the detail. There's a full menu for Nokia C7 or Nokia C6. All menu. And this is some details, imported details. So nice package for the Nokia C6. Beautiful for package for charger, data cable, handset, battery, and Nokia C6. Thanks for joining me. Next time I'm showing a next mobile, but there is a Nokia C7 unboxing, Nokia E7 E5, but this time is only one mobile showing informations. But thanks for joining me. Take care.